So welcome to our YouTube channel Edu Excellence Learning Stock Market Learning Center. So guys, today we will look into this is very important topic wherein we are looking into the crypto area. Now as you know that our Bitcoin, that is the major parent cryptocurrency, and the remaining there are dependencies. Other cryptos are depend on the Bitcoins, and as you know that when there is a harmony in the market of Bitcoin, then dependent currencies also move upward. If we see the downfall in the Bitcoin, accordingly remaining currencies also falling down. Now the today's point of discussion is with subject to technical analysis, wherein what we will see here, how to identify the trend of the market, how to do the technical analysis on the securities, how to read the price, how to do the price volume analysis, and ultimately that is what is technical analysis in the market. Now when I say Bitcoin, now we will focus on another dependent currency, that is ADA perpetual future contract. Now in this currency, what I see, when we have to check the broader trend, then we will first check the daily time frame. On day time frame, what we see here, see the chart of ADA. In the ADA, what we see, this is the major support area. This is major. Now when we do the technical analysis of the security, we have to find out the respective support and resistance level. Now in the ADA, this is the major support level. We will plot a horizontal line. When we do the technical analysis of security, we have to find out the demand and supply area. In ADA, what we see, this is the major support line and this is the major resistance line. Okay. Dark cloud cover or bearish pattern, and again the price is falling from that area. It means when we are tackling the trend in the market, support and resistance level are areas of value from where price may go up, or from that area price may go down. So in this case, this is the resistance area, this is the supply. So once price break this area, it may go further, it will touch to next resistance level, but now the price is taking resistance from this level and we got a bearish pattern, or it may fall downside. Now this is the broader sense, daily time frame. Now I will plot the detail on 1 hour time frame for daily trading perspective. When I say daily trading perspective, now see how to tackle the trend for daily time frame. For intraday trader, this is very important. First of all, we have to check out, as per Dow theory, whether the trend is making lower lows or lower high. In this case, this is the major resistance area of the price, and till this point the trend was uptrend in the market. You see the price was making higher high and higher low, but after this point we got the resistance in the market and the price is moving down. So I am plotting the lines. So this is my trend line. Now we can plot it like this. This is the trend line in the market. Now what we see from this point, market is making lower lows, and this is lower high. It means downtrend is developing in the market. When I say a downtrend is developing, because see, this is the trending, this is downtrend retracement, again it will go down, because on daily time frame we have seen that there is downtrend in the market. So in technical analysis, the definition of it is a probabilistic science. In technical analysis, Dow theory helps us when the price is making higher high, higher low. In this case, price is making higher high and higher low. But in this case, price is making lower lows, lower high, means the trend is down in the market. So Dow theory is very important. It helps us to identify the proper trend in the market and entry exit in the market. So technical analysis, it is a probabilistic science. Basis your support and resistance. You take the reference of price volume analysis. You take the reference of other detail like trend line in the market. Then different indicator we use for our reference purpose. But what I would suggest, guys, price, volume and time, these are leading parts in the market. So we have to focus on the leading part. So these bars are the price bar, and when I do the price reading, I see that the market is making lower low, lower high. So see the size of the candle. In price reading, size of the candle is very important. Now see, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So downtrend is developing in the market and price will fall further as per the trend. So when we do the technical analysis of the security, volume is very important. Now I will plot the volume. See, these are the volume bars. These are the volume bar. So see, when we do the comparative analysis of the volume, see the bearish volume is developing. This is big spike. Bearish volume is developing in the market. So overall, the volume is negative. I means the sellers are active in the market and they are dominating the market. The buyers are comparatively low. So ratio of the seller is 2:1. It means downtrend is in continuation and price may fall further. So in technical analysis, as I said earlier, levels are very important. It was one your resistance point. Again, price, we got lower low, again one retracement in the market, again we got another lower low, again another retracement. So when I do chart analysis, we should be able to plot the level properly. So I will show you how to plot the support and resistance line in the market. Now I am removing these levels. Okay, now I will let you know, how to plot the levels in the market. Now see, these are horizontal line, and this is your resistance. See the most interactive zone of the price. We have to match the most interactive zone of the price. And then how? Now see, this is higher point, this is support, this is again most interactive zone of the price. We will plot one line here, horizontal line. Again we got one rejection from this point. Here we got one rejection. So this is one of my resistance line. This is resistance line. Again we see one reversal from this point. So this is the interactive zone of the price. This is again interactive, this is interactive. So I will plot one horizontal line on this point. So this is again most interactive zone of this area, these lines, this area. So support and resistance are very important. Now again I will plot one level here. This is my one of the resistance point and the price is going downside. So we have to match the most interactive price zone. Now I can plot one line here as well. Now see, this is lower line. Again most interactive, this is our most interactive zone of the price. So we should be able to plot the support and resistance level, and accordingly we take these levels act as an area of value from where we can enter in the market or we can trade. So what I will suggest, we have to trade only at support and resistance. So support and resistance act as a your entry areas of value where you have to enter in the market. So you have to trade only at resistance or support. Now when I say how to enter in the market, now first when we do the trade setup, first we have to identify the trend of the security, then area of value. So support and resistance line, these all lines are your area of value from where you will enter in the market. Now what I will suggest you, this is the support line. When price breaks this level and give the confirmation, further confirmation to downside, we will enter in the market. So we have to wait for the further confirmation. This is my major support area. When price will break this area, we will wait for the further confirmation on 15 minutes bar, or we can take the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, yes. So guys, we have to use the multiple time frame, right, to identify the trend and entry point. Now I have plotted all the line on 1 hour's time frame. Now I have taken the 15-minute time frame. Now see, from this point I got one rejection. The price was going down. This was little retracement. This is going down. Again we got another retracement, and this is my major support area. So let me check, or we will do observation whether the price will go down from this point or not. So we have to wait and watch. As I said, in the market 90% time we have to wait and watch, 10% we have to act. Now I will match this price bar with the volume bar. As I said, price technical analysis is all about price, volume and time analysis. So these things are very important when we are doing the intraday trade, swing trades, or scalping, or what we can say positional trade. We have to identify the support and price resistance areas, demand and supply areas, and we need to identify the right levels of the market. Then we have to do the properly price analysis. From technical point of view, price reading, price action, price volume analysis, and technical analysis, these things are very important in the market. Now this is the volume. We see this histogram, they are volumes in the market. So we have to check whether the volume is validating with the price or not, or see the volume bar. See the volume bullish bar is there, buyers are coming, price is going up. Again this red bar is sellers are entering in the market, the price is falling. But we have to check for the trade confirmation whether the price is really going down or not. We need trade confirmation. We will check from this point to till this point the sellers are active in the market. This is little retracement in the market, and our conviction is that the market will fall because red volume is dominating the market. So volume and price analysis is important, whether the price is matching with the volume or not, whether it is validating or anomaly in the market. So price volume analysis is key to success. With this we have to follow the price action strategies or price action technique, wherein we will follow the support and resistance level, trend line, moving averages, your entry trigger as a bullish and bearish engulfing pattern. So these things are very important things from intraday trading perspective. So guys, we have to and we can achieve this milestone or these skills or practice is very important here. We have to daily practice these all things. Perseverance is important, consistency is important. So this skill, this is an art, and which will develop by practice. So that's all about intraday trade setup and how technically tackle and deal with the market conditions. Bye. Thank you.